Hey everybody, the Quilting Kindergarten teacher here, and today I'm going to be making a quilt block or two for the Quilting Marine. I decided to make some string blocks. I have a cream color, blue, red, and navy. Navy, marine. Okay, for my string blocks, I have my telephone book paper, and I'm going to grab two strips, the, the cream one and the red one. It doesn't matter. I'm going to put them right sides together. And then I'm going to kind of start kind of in the center, diagonal center of the telephone book paper. And make sure you have a little bit of overhang. And it doesn't matter if you use a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance or not. Doesn't matter. Well, it doesn't matter for me. And then I'm going to iron this. And then iron. Off this leader first. And then grab another strip. That kind of ripped off. All the blocks are done. Now I'm going to square them up and peel the paper off the backs. The blocks are all squared. Now it's time to make some half square triangles.
The next day.
So making that video was such an ordeal yesterday. It took all day just to try those simple blocks. I tried recording using a document cam. That didn't work. The sound, the audio didn't match up. The audio was distorted. Then I tried to jimmy rig my webcam to do the video. The sewing machine wasn't acting right. I made the half square triangles wrong, and I tried to fix it, but that made it worse. So then I started picking out the seams, and I started picking out the wrong seams. So I was just like, forget it. So today I made this block for the Quilting Marine off camera. I don't see how some of y'all do it. Like T Quilts, the Quilting Marine, Leah Day, Bonnie Hunter, Jean True Love, Man Sewing, Missouri Starring Company, Quilting a Day. More power to y'all. I'm gonna try it again. I don't know. I made 2 blocks. And this one. Wait, look at it first. Now go ahead and read.